If you wanna to fix this problem on your Instagram Lite, just follow me in this video till the end. So first guys, you don't need to open your Instagram Lite. You have to go directly and open your settings of your device. Then right here you will find a list of options. Open just apps option. So you will find here like all the applications that you have on your phone. You will search for Instagram Lite. Only open it when you find it, then scroll down onto your phone storage option. So click on clear cache. As you see here in the bottom of the screen, I used it before, that's why I can't click on it right now. And then what you should do, you have to go back and click on force stop and click OK. And next you have to go to battery, allow it on optimized mode, then go back and go to permission and give permission to all of these options right here, and then check that your Instagram Lite it's updated on Play Store, then restart your phone. That's it in this video. I hope it's useful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.